Hello, hello. Yeah, yes, sir. Now you guys can hear. Coming to the industries, I think the high up rate is set because with this SMT up here, Kraken correlation and could see to in 4 hour. In another 12 minutes, we might close. Like we will, I think, most probably close bearish, and we can look for shorts. We can look for more shorts. But the only thing I'll be worried about here is this order block. You guys can see both in NQ and ES. Uh, what this order block? Don't want to see price to respect this, go bearish. Not deciding anything right now because no, we can. There is a chance we can just reverse from here if this candle forms a C2 in in Q. Sorry, ES. It failed to form C2 in Q. I have to wait for some low time frame confirmations to take bullish trades. But I'm expecting some kind of bullishness to happen. Come and take bullish trades here. Am I audible now? Maybe yes. Gold, gold and silver. Going to the daily. You see, we have this PSP. We have this PSP here, and also we are reversing off of one thing. Sure, but no. And also we are reversing from our 11 swing point. If you see here, we are reversing from this swing point in silver, good inside of the PDRA, and we are reversing from this PDRA and forming this SMT with this PSP. So I think I'm more bearish in gold and silver. Coming to the 4 hour, look at the 4 hour in stage inside of this level gap, and these lows looking good to me now, or we can target this level. Silver is the weaker asset, but with this dragon correlation, I think we might get a strength switch and look for some more lower prices. But a minute. Hmm. 30 minutes, we need more confirmation. I'm not sure if this when this rate of delivery holds, and if we get be closure below this candle, then we can look for again more lower prices. I think or I didn't see that. Yeah, exactly. But we are delivering some opportunity, so think we need to wait. We can't decide anything right now. See, this is some kind of range bound. You are getting the Kraken correlation in both the direction. Like you have PSP higher and SMT lower, so that makes a bit more that creates a bit more confusion. That creates a bit more confusion, and you know it takes a little bit of more time to get more confirmation. And like, that oil was shit because look at this negative condition in daily. We can target day open to closure instead of this being SMT below silver. One that's a good play. We can target the um, day open, but I prefer to wait for this 30 minute in this state of delivery, and then we can target the day open. Probably our day open PM. We go day open. On now. Had a new day open. We can do that. We can do that. MT with previous day open. If the current candle is C2 and if we get the 30 minute finish of delivery, then we can look for higher prices till the day open. Would say. But we have this 4 hour fair value gap. You know, we need to wait. And also we got this 4 hour changes of delivery behind here and here. So it's a bit tricky in gold. Thank you as a get forming a C2. Um, see the yeah, fine. I'm just extremely good. And we have this. We might form this with from ski level. Ways of day open. Thank you. 1 minute long. Here is the 1 minute king, guys. Yesterday, the only trade which went right was Zigot. I think he might be taken it from this Beverly Gap or this Beverly Gap from this. But we are getting more confirmations here. We invest this Fiji as well. So we do have a clean highs. Maybe this high or this high or this high as well. And again this high here. Now wait another 5 minutes. 10 a.m. trades. Let's follow the rules. Coming to the gold. Gold failed to give the Chinese state of delivery in 30 minutes. And this, yes, this here. Inversion here. Price, price, price level. Here, maybe. Yeah, that's the smart way to, from break even now. But in another 5 minutes, we are going to another minute. In another minute, the 10 a.m. opens. The 10 a.m. might come back to this inversion, creating the lower wick, and then we might get a good bullish trades. I'm expecting that to happen, but I'm not sure because it's extremely YM is already extremely bullish. So the internal high exactly. 10 a.m. needs to form a lower wick. We also cleared the previous hourly high as well, but not sure. We might push without with a small wick. Trading a small wick can give us a good expansion candle. So need to wait. What about gold? Perfectly respecting. We might chase to the previous day low in gold. Is for our and we need a more confirmation. Right now we do have um right now we do have this inversion, but from the irrelevant level, we are reversing from this value gap here. Yeah, that's true, but need to wait the more confirmation. Might push lower though. You're out. 1:2. Crazy. Nice trade, nice trade, nice trade, bro. Let's wait. Mhm. trading evals today. 13 use done. No red folder. That's good. Mm. Yeah, right. Mm. That's a good trade management there. Even I would have closed it there. I mean, I might have targeted higher, but that's a smart way to handle the trade. To the gold, we did get this inversion. The gold 30-minute open here, like 1 hour, 30 minute or whatever, like 30 minute will open here. As I'm in 3 minutes, I'll be showing the 3:30 minute to 3 minute time frame alignment. So this 30-minute open, and this we have this fair value gap. So what it should do is this is a open, create the high, and then drop down and take this close because the previous lows are still pending in gold, but silver has taken it. But if we inverse this fair value gap and didn't get this CIC and push lower, then I am probably not gonna touch gold. Yeah, exactly. The pyramid fair value gap. Oh, exactly. That's a good analysis there. Even this can push higher because we have a daily SMT down there. So again, see, we have PSP up and the SMT down. So there is a very high chance of getting the price being in range. So I want you guys to be careful about that. Don't rush things. Wait, and then do your own analysis and take trades. Even I can be wrong sometimes. Like yesterday, we took a two losing trades, and that's okay. But again, then I took another two trades today, two winning trades. One is in gold. I think it was around 1:5, maybe 1:5 RR. I usually don't target such a huge target, but yeah, it was a good trade. I just trailed my stop and I was holding it safe. Oil, oil is top, guys. Look at this top of that. However, we do have this swing point to target, but not sure. Cleared all this low resistance liquidity, leaving this good fair value gap with a displacement, but still this is not yet tapped. 15 minute, do we have any crack and correlation here so that we can look for higher prices? We are delivering instead of this fair value gap from this fair value gap, and yeah, we do have. Just clicking correlation. And still holding gold. At least I need this T2 closure so that I can look for higher price. Or else I'm considering it a range bound bidding gold, maybe for me at least. NQ, oh fuck, not a not much clear, but it was a good. We would have planned something here. Like, even now, if we come back to this fair value gap without clearing out these highs, I might think of looking bullish trade. What about ES? Hmm. Yeah, certain correlation. But we need a. Yeah, gonna miss it maybe. We have our high here, way more higher than NQ. Yeah. We tap here. Yes, we need this tap in ES to take this trade. Yeah. Let me log in. Give me a second. Come on, bro. Gold is looking good. Thank you. Heart is not. I might miss this trade. Maybe. I missed it. Think not yet. Actually, got saved. We are in here, and I'm gonna target this high. Finish to 3.6. See, or else we can also take gold shorts. This is my eval, guys. This is not my funded account, so now be careful. Risk according to your trades, so like your analysis. We cleared this high. That is a problem right now. We cleared this high already in NQ. Either we'll get a transmission and push, could push higher. Or we had a good displacement though. But again, the SMT can ruin everything here at this point. Holding it. I think I pissed around 230 on this trade. 234 maybe. I took this trade in ES, as you guys can see, S&P 500 not in Q. So, make sure to just be clear with that. Depends on this 3-minute candle. If this candle closes bearish, then I'm gonna close it manually at whatever the price is, like at whatever the PNL it might be. If it closes green, then I'm going to hold it. Where it's flopping right now. I forgot how to record myself. I don't know. I think I am probably going to clip it from YouTube. Hmm. I want to see closure above here. Oh, it's bad. The previous 15-minute high. Once the NQ clears out these highs, I'm going to be breaking here. Yes. Yes, is struggling with fire. Mm, not a good trade. Very strong to play. This is yeah, maybe yeah, would have. But again, I thought we might get a chance switch and push. It's okay. One loss, one loss, and this is empty. She's very unexpected. Good. So yeah, a small level gap here in 15 minutes. I'm if I'm logging something, only yes, not in queue with this can switch. So the NQ is stronger, but we have a clear draw in ES. So I prefer to go with ES with good strength, track and correlation. Didn't get a tap back into that favor gap, but we had a good draw on liquidity and well reached it. So gold is dropping as we anticipated. But these are the kind of failure things we don't like into the indices. Yes, we have this tiny inversion that this candle might be redelivered to that, like rebalance that inversion and then trying to fix that happen. With the SMT above, there is a context behind this shot. This low as in minute, but no, we don't have any favorable gap. But again, the shot's looking good, and with this another confirmation, anything here. Not SMT anymore. So I might what is dropping low, and we have not bought any entry. We are reading, we are not getting entry. No, what? This inversion and this empty down here. Again, this is the like, Tiny 15 minutes of like the plate is floating right now. We need displacement through that, or else we are going to drop it again here. Not good. Small SMT. Yeah. Crash. Getting that London, London and Asian are playing very well than New York these days. Look at the SMP. SMP is turning bearish. This is the reason I don't like not liking the current price action, whatever is going on. Yes, it's turning bearish and thank you. Being bullish. I don't know. Yes, should turn bullish and give us a change in state of delivery above here. Then we can trust this play. Until unless ES lines with NQ, the NQ will struggle to push higher. This will struggle to push what I'm talking. Come on, bro. Come on. Until unless ES aligns with NQ, NQ will struggle to push higher. I'm not gonna touch it, bro. whatever it happens. If it takes myself, I'll give it. Again, it's a eval, so we have another SMT here. 509. That's okay. Yes, already turned very. Low. Gold. Gold is dumping lower though. Gold as planned, but we didn't get entry. That's the other thing. Minutes C2. 30 minutes C2 has negative condition. If it flips from here, it's not, then you can have a very tight stop there. Yeah, even I planned gold shorts, but I couldn't able to get it. We have this good LRLR, low resistance liquidity. Looking for good dump in NQ. Filling my stops. Very tight. I lose, I should be losing. Out. Never stays for long. Audio much better. Thank you. Thank you, sir. What did this? What did this happen, bro? That a good setup. Just stop me out. And again in our direction. Oh, we do have good clean move there. Again, like we have a better it coming up. Wait, look at this and sides of this is yeah. What time frame? 2 minutes maybe. Touching in this gold blade oil. We'll have some hopes on oil, but we cleared, and we do have good drawn liquids. It was about to take this long. First, we wait for this 5 minutes. Gold is leading. Oil. Hello. Hello, bro. Hello, hello, hello. No, bro, I don't remember. Who is this? Sorry, I don't remember you. 3, 2, 1. Oh, oh, got it, got it. Go mind. At the end. I took two, both were lost. Like one is lost and one is almost break even. But in my live account, I took two and both were TP. These are my evals, whatever I am trading in. They're out of range. I'll come back and the standard deviation minus this for retrace. Let's still go short in Q. Last trade stream. We might add more here if we get a good displacement and it's adding. Oh shit. We cleared this low in NQ. Now we have 72 is happening. And I saw it just now. And as soon as I saw it, market is yeah, no, I'm gonna hold it. Whatever I hit my stop. we get closer to 50% of the now the manufacturing like it due to if you measure the entire rate the entire 2 week manipulation like this is a minus one. So at this point we might get some kind of retracement there for sure. We might get some kind of small retracement, or else we might get a good push lower because ES is way more weaker than NQ. It's already pushing lower. So let me just do one thing. I'm gonna take this off here. I'll take this off here. Point. Being partial is important. And we can leave the rest of yeah. We can 6 off, book some partials. The rest keep on running. High high potential reversal standard deviation point. Better to take a beautiful trade after two losses. You might have I'll show you one thing. You might have get surprised of that. So this is 1:4 trade for you for your and information. This is 1:4 trade. We might have pushed lower, but like I thought I should be taking out because the standard deviation levels and the liquidity zone down here. After a lot of losses, I think I have taken three losses. Okay, so at this point, even though after taking the three losses, I was able to be in game. That's the magic of risk management. I am still up 232 for the day in my evals. The in my let me show you guys in my live account. This is my live account, not eval. I'm up 1060. So I would have traded my live account, but if I trade my live account, I would definitely exceed my consistency rule. I might break my consistency rule. So that is the reason I didn't trade the um, live account. And when you look at my eval, this is a eval. This one, it has some issues going on with it. I can't concentrate on this. So on this, still up 230 after taking two losses. That's how we manage trades, guys. We have to learn the risk management. And yeah, that's it. What's the time? Oh, it's 11 2. Time to line off. And yeah, I'll post this trade. Maybe executions. Lot of shitty executions. I'll clip it from YouTube. Still dumping. I would have made 500 on this, but 500. Actually, I made pretty much good, but I had a previous losses to cover. So yeah, that's the thing. Yeah, that's it for today, guys. Had a better better than yesterday. Okay, too much good. I had a very best teams than this. We had two losses in a row and one break even, almost break even. I think $20-30 loss is not a big loss, so it's a break even. And the another trade which covered the entire two losses and plus we made $230 today. I know it's not a big deal, like $230 is not much, but again, it's eval and I risked as much as I can according to I would have bear the risk. And even after two losses, I've made it back plus some couple of dollars. So yeah, that's the story of today's stream. And see you guys tomorrow. Keep trading, trade safe, and see you guys. Bye bye.